So this is actually a smart enabled home that comes with
Hello,
Alexa.
my name is
so
Alexa.
if you're one of those tech geeks who love having your smart home, who love having your home controlled using your phone, this is already enabled. Today, I will be showing you around this elegantly modern and brand new house and lot here in Filinvest 1, Quezon City. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So before I take you through the main entrance, I'd like to introduce you first to the carports. So over to your right, we have a single carport without any cover. Now that's specific because the other carports does have a cover. Now from here, you would be able to see the side of the house. So the garden is essentially a wraparound, meaning the entire house has access all around it. Okay, but for now, we'll leave it, and I'll show it to you later. So over to the left side, here you have your covered two-car port, as well as your automated gate. So isa manual, ito automated. Fancy. Okay, and over here to the side, unahin na natin yung utilities. You have access to this side gate, which leads to your dirty kitchen, as well as, and puro gamit lang siya ngayon, but it leads to your rather spacious maid's quarters, as well, there you go, as the toilet and bath. So I mentioned that this house is pretty brand new. In fact, it's still in its finishing stages, if I'm not mistaken. That's why you see a lot of construction materials, so please do excuse that. And so ang ganda ng dirty kitchen. Of course, you have access to the formal kitchen, which I will show you later. Excuse me. Hindi ko nakita yun. Okay, and then you have another gate, which has access to the back of the house. So you have here the garden, and again, it wraps around to the side. Okay, so let's go back out into the front so I can show you the main entrance. Okay, so again, more construction material. So as you will notice, it's, yes, extremely modern, but it has so many details that it's also very interesting. Like, it's the modern kind that's very clean, but still very detailed. Okay, finally, the main entrance. Wala pa yung wala pa yung handle, but please focus on this. This is made of mahogany. All of the doors in this house are made of mahogany, and it's so beautiful, as well as the rest of this house. So welcome to this gorgeous home. So you are, again, welcomed by this open space. So this is ideally your living area, but we have here a door, so we're gonna go through here first. So we have door number 1, which is actually your bedroom number 1. But it could be an office or den, it's up to you. Especially since it has an ensuite toilet and bath. So it's ideal as an office since it is the first door you see after entering the main entrance. But it could also be a bedroom for essentially anyone who just wants to be close to the entrance. And then going back out, you have here a huge access to the side again. So what's nice about this house is it's almost like bringing the outside in. Like, even if the garden is a wraparound, hindi siya parang limited lang to the outside. It almost feels like the inside and the outside are one, especially now during the nighttime where basically the lights just spill over inside and outside. It's really, really cool. I don't know if it translates in the video, but here in person, una kong pasok dito, wow, ganda. Okay, so over here now we have a powder room. Diba? Ganda na ano natin kanina. It's like with all the lights open, it's really a sight to behold. And over here, your dining and your kitchen. So you have your provision for your refrigerator, you have your sink over here, you have an island counter, your pantry, and wow, just look at this glass, this tile rather. So you have here tiles that look like subway tiles. Subway tiles are the ones with the beveled edges. These are not beveled, but wow, do they look beautiful. Okay, now here is the door that I showed you earlier, the one that leads out into the dirty kitchen. But we've already been there. Yun yung, medyo nadapa ako. Or nadapa, whatever. I kind of tripped a little there. So yun yun. And then your dining area leads out again into the wraparound garden. And you also have here a sort of, well, it's not exactly a patio, but yeah, you have an outdoor area that's tiled. So it would be, it would be cool to have a setup over here where you can like have breakfast in the morning or like afternoon coffee with the breeze and everything. Especially since you have all of these bamboo plants, and I think this is called maki. So it's very private. Also, please take note of the walls. So on top of the walls, you have these analog. Talaga hinawakan ko, no? You have these analog panels, I suppose, and it provides so much privacy without obstructing air. So I think that's one of the very cool things about this particular divider or wall. Okay. And then from here, you can see your main stairs as well as your hub. So this is actually a smart enabled home that comes with Alexa.
My name is
so
Alexa.
If you're one of those tech geeks who love having your, your smart home, who love having your home controlled using your phone, this is already enabled. Okay, let's now explore the second floor. And also, please don't mind, they are protecting the hardwood floors. So puro covers. So is having a smart home one of your check boxes? Like when looking for a home, do you want your home to be ready for these technological advanced features? So comment down below if you're pro having your house controlled by Alexa. Well, actually you're the one controlling Alexa, or does it just not matter to you? Okay, so from here we have your family room or study. It's up to you what you want to turn it into, but take note that you have this large sliding door that leads out into the balcony. Here we go. So medyo gabi, you can't really see the view, but the stars look so nice. Okay, let's go through this first, and then we'll go through that way. So here we have bedroom number 2. So this one, kung daytime to, kita mo yung harap ng bahay mo. So it looks over the front of your house. So imagine mo all windows. This is really bright in the morning, but granted that it's nighttime, it's still really bright. Then you have your ensuite, toilet and bath. And I believe you have your closet here behind the door. Okay, so this room, if you don't want to turn it into a bedroom, you could turn it into a study or an office as well. Especially since it's not quite as private, correction. Especially since it has all of those windows, which make it feel more like an office rather than a bedroom. Okay, so here we have bedroom number 3. So this also has huge windows, however, it does not look over the front of the house, so it feels more like a bedroom. And you have this gorgeous built-in, can you see? So it's not just closets and closets and closets. You have your vanity, you have drawers, you have shelves. So this is a really well thought of built-in closet. And then you have your ensuite toilet and bath. Now this is a shared toilet and bath. So it has access to bedroom number 4. So again, it's basically the same, lots of room, same window, the mirrored, oh actually no, it's not mirrored, it's basically the same built-in, except kanina ganun, nilipat mo lang pa ganun. And then, back out into the hallway, you have the final bedroom. Master bedroom. So you have lots of space and you have access on both sides for your corner balcony. Yeah, so lots of walking space. And then you have your ensuite toilet and bath with a walk-in closet. Lots of space. You have your his and her sinks, your enclosed shower, and your toilet or water closet. You also have your lots of storage for your toiletries, so that's something that's really nice. So even if the place is really modern and everything looks very clean and streamlined, they still thought of putting this in because everyone needs that extra storage, right? Especially if you want to keep your place looking clean. Okay, so that essentially covers the second floor. So, recap. So you've got 300 square meters of lot area. That's pretty big, right? And then you've got 370 square meters of floor area. You've got 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, 1 powder room, a separate maid's quarters, a 3-car port. Of course, this house has 2 stories. And of course, this gorgeous piece of art is in Filinvest 1, Quezon City. So if you or anyone you know is out in the market for a house and lot here, or you just really like this video, please do share it in your social media because it would really help us, and you never know whom you could help out. Or if you're the one interested, just go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.